I guess so. What's today? Wednesday. I guess I'll talk to you Friday. I'm making a video of Jesse right now. Alright, okay. I think he is. I think so too, yeah. Alright, Mom. Okay. Bye.
This is she wants.
Okay, it's almost done. Give your grand finale.
Then can I do another one?
Well, no, just give your grand finale. There goes ours.
No, it's going to take so long.
Alright, that's it. I gotta turn it off now. Say, bow down, say the end.
The end. Now can you get one with me, Jordan?